So this is my project for pn4063, which is a pencil holder. Down here is going to be the base of the project. It's going to be made of acrylic, 3mm. And this is going to be the bracket that holds up the light. I'm going to have an LED light up here. So down here, that's for two pencils, sorry. That's for two pens, and that's for a 4-colour biro. There, that's going to be a switch. Those two holes there, that's going to join the bracket to the base of the project. And there, I'm going to have my name on it. Well, like the students will have their name on it, but I'm going to cut that out using a laser cutter. Here's the sketch of the pencil holder. You can see here the design. It isn't really good quality, but you kind of get an idea, alright, of the of my plan of it. So that's the LED up there, and that's the switch, and that's the 4 holes. So that's the scale drawing I made earlier of the project. It's 1:1. You can see they're bent to 60-degree angles. That's a 90-degree angle there, and yeah, that's it. This is a working drawing of the project. So that's going to be a 17.5mm radius on top there. That's going to be 225mm long, and that's going to be 190 long in total. And then they're going to be 40 each side, the legs, and they're going to be bent at 90 degrees, as I said earlier. So that's 60 degrees, that width there of the bracket. So the key areas of learning for the students. So time management, that's going to be important for the students because they're just coming in and it's a taster session. So they won't have any, most of them won't have any prior knowledge really of working with machinery in the workshop like that. They're working with acrylic and working with aluminium. So that's going to be an area that they're going to learn. Bench work. So they're going to learn all marking out and filing and sawing and so skills like that. Creativity, they're going to learn that. Wiring. So they're going to learn wiring there from the switch to the LED. Problem solving. So they're going to come up with a lot of challenges, that they might not have faced before with this project. So working with machines as well, that's going to be important as well, because they're working with lathes and drills and soldering irons. Many students have not done that before. So potential difficulty, as I said earlier, alright, time management, that's going to be difficulty there, alright, because students, they might have not learnt about machines before, such as the soldering iron now and drilling, and it's going to be something new for them. Wiring the LED to the top of the brackets. So like many students really, they haven't learned anything about wiring before, so it's their first time doing it. And safety, as I said, yeah. So students, they haven't, most of them haven't really worked in any machines such as the soldering iron and dangerous machinery like that. So they have to know the safety of it. The materials I'm going to use, so acrylic base, as I said, that's going to be 3mm, and aluminium light bracket, so that's going to be 1.5mm aluminium for that bracket. And the process then they're going to use is wiring, drilling, filing, marking out, sawing, bending, and bending acrylic. So this is the second year design changes then I would make to the project. So they're going to be brass legs down the bottom there, so students can learn how to work the lathe, because in first year you wouldn't really trust them with the lathe, but in second year then you'd let them into that. And then this for the bracket and for the light, I'd get them to make that themselves. So they have to design that out of requirements such as material and dimensions. They can make it out of brass, they can make it out of aluminium, they can make it out of acrylic, whatever they want. But as long as it fits in a certain dimensions that I'm going to make. So in here now, this is the project now itself. As you can see, I'll show you different views of it. So that's the side view of it now, and they're going to be 10mm radius there. And it's a good enough project there. I'm very happy with the design. So that's it there now, all put together. There you go, there's the holes underneath there. And that's on top of it then. And you can see the name, my name written there. That's going to be cut out with a laser cutter. So that's the back of the project then. Yeah. So that's it then.